Part 1. Introducing building element.
One of the main components of mechanical installations is the sewage pipes in different parts of the building. The outlets required for collecting and passing water from different levels are installed in the ground floor of the building.
Part 2. Implementing details.
The existing soil must be compacted. If the existing soil is not compactable, part of it is replaced with compactable soil. A 1 to 3 cm layer of lime powder and sand mixture is applied to the soil to prevent plant growth and to prevent moisture from transferring upwards. During the application of compacted sand, the sewage pipe is installed at a suitable slope, in a curved shape at the appropriate level. To prevent moisture from transferring to higher levels, about 6 cm of sand is poured and compacted and leveled. To prevent damage to mechanical installations, sand is usually poured around the pipes instead of gravel. Concrete with low cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of 5 cm to level and prevent the concrete slab from contact with the underlying surfaces. Concrete with a minimum cement content of 250 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of at least 10 cm according to the structural drawings. Since the pipes of mechanical installations are in contact with sand, gravel, concrete, etc., cast iron pipes are used to implement the facilities at the lower level of the building. A 15% slope towards the floor drain is applied by using pumice. The next layer is a moisture barrier that is applied between 2 layers of sand and cement mortar. The moisture barrier layer can be tarpaulin or prefabricated moisture barrier. The moisture barrier must be applied to the appropriate depth inside the sewer pipe. Before applying the second layer of mortar, the floor drain is installed. The next layer is cement sand mortar and cement stone powder mortar, which has a minimum thickness of 2.5 centimeters. Ceramics are applied on the mortar. During the application, in the floor washing area, the ceramics are cut to the appropriate shape. To further protect the sewer pipe and the floor, the side of these facilities is filled with sand. The joint between the ceramics is filled with cement grout. Finally, the floor washing cap is placed.
Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.